Hi, I'm Mondo. Little monster, big heart. I was taking myself way too seriously today. Like, I am an important person with very important stress. So, I made a weird sound. Just blurted out, glomp, in the middle of the kitchen. And I laughed. It broke the spell. Sometimes doing something silly reminds your brain it doesn't have to grip so tight. Laughter is a shortcut to softness, even if it starts with a glomp. Also, help me get to know you in the comments. Tell me, what's your favorite day of the week? Mine is Monday. Get it? Like Mondo? Anyway, moving on. That's all the love I have for now. Go be gentle with the world and yourself. Mwah.